Yeah. No.
Remember, I did a recap of the last one that was in.
True.
It also was
True, true,
which
true.
nobody has seen.
Why?
You know, I don't know. I mean, I don't think a lot of those people frequent my page like that.
So you just didn't post it because?
No, I posted it.
Oh.
I posted it, and then like when I finally saw two times. He's like, no, like I tagged all them niggas in it. Like him, Roddy, none of them saw it until I saw them and said something about it. Yeah, let's see.
I'm probably gonna walk with you. I'll probably just come outside when he get here. I lost you.
We decided to change the cover a little bit because we see the big picture. Negroes, that's what they got to say. You use your paper pen and get your rhyme pad. Write shit that's truly bad. Embarrass yourself, make the fucking mockery and the hypocrisy. You never topping me.
Hey guys, sorry it's dark. Sorry, hold on, wait a minute. Oh no, sorry. Okay, let's see. Woo! Okay. Hey guys, I'm back. It is now 7:10 and I am just getting in, about to have dinner with my mother and my brother. I had a really good time today. I had such a good time being around my elements, hip hop. I love hip hop. Man, y'all just don't know. Y'all do not know. Like, this has been a love of mine since 1993. Okay? 1993. And I just love hip hop. I love the essence of it. I love DJs, like real hardcore DJs. And I love the community of people that I am affiliated with in the hip hop scene in the DMV area. It's just a feel good moment every time I'm with these people. Like, they never let me down. And I had a good time. I looked good. I felt good. And I am grateful for today. I'm grateful for the weather. It was amazing. And if this is just a pinch of what my spring summer is gonna be like, baby. Okay. I'll take it. I like it a lot. Anyway, so that's my Sunday. I hope you guys enjoyed this day in the world vlog, a day in my world. See when the next time I do one. If you're new here and you stayed this far, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. I have some shorts coming to you guys this week. And yeah, thank you. I'm almost at 500. I'm almost at 500 subscribers. Just, I think 157 more. 157. Can we do that by my birthday? My birthday is May 5th. Can we get 157 subscribers by May 5th? If we can get 500 subscribers by 5/5, 5, 5, 5. Like, let's do it.